My friend, hopefully that you are doing great. So in this lesson, I want to share you how TestNG manages multiple test suites, and then we can create multiple test configuration to run for different test types. So for example, in your project, we have many test types like the smart test, regression test, acceptance test, right? So now under the test package here, we will create a new one. This should be the smart test, and I want to create a new package here, test.regression. So what I do, I will try to move the login and the login test here into the smart package. So I will try to refactor, move classic, and then I will put on the smart test here, refactor. And then what I want to do, I just try to simple copy one of them here, any of them here, and then I paste in the regression package. Then, for example, I will rename to task group test here, and then I enter. We don't focus in the logic here, anything. Let's try to remove a little here. We just focusing on how to create and manage multiple test suites, okay? So now, for example, I have two buckets for the regression and the smart test, and inside each bucket, I have some test class here, and each test class, I have some several test methods inside. So how can I manage it? So now, I will rename the main .xml to the smart.xml. So you see here, what I do, I just remove some of them, and then I just keep two classes inside. It is login test and login test 2, and I just keep the parallel strategy here like before. Then what I do, I will copy this one and then try to rename it to another test suite, regression.xml. So here I will name it to be regression test, right? And then what we have, it should be something like task cross here. So what we have the task cross test here, and we want to test this class. So basically, we will have two test suites here. So now what we want to do here, we go to the test configuration, and then you just click on the edit configuration. Now you click on add button here, add a new TestNG. Now you will name it to be something like, okay, name it to be something like smart tech here, and the tag type is source, and it should come from user control space, user, my name, control space, and then it should be instructor control space, and then be basis selenium, and I want to target for the smart.xml here. And what I want to do, that I will put the testing environment, testing URL, and let me try to grab the information from here. This one, remove the trailing slash, okay? So you can put directly here as well. For example, TestNG equal this one. You don't need to open the dialog to input, okay? But I just want to show you just in case you forgot. And then after that, you click OK. Okay, here. Now you open the configuration again, and this case you can try to duplicate. You see the duplicate here? Yeah, this one. Copy the configuration. So after you copy, the name will be smart test 1 here, and I don't want to give it. What I want to do, that should be regression test. Okay, and the shoot. And now this case I will try to replace by regression.xml. So in this case, the testing environment here is still keep because I have just copy from the smart text here, and then I click OK, right? So now, if I want to run smart test, I will select the smart test here, and then I run it. right? Here is two browser is launching, so it should work like before because we didn't change any of the logic inside. So it's just launching and run on the test in parallel. So if you want to run for regression test, you select here and you select the regression test here, click on the run button. So this is the way we trigger the test from the IDE. Okay. Okay. So now try to practice yourself how to create multiple test suite in TestNG, how to create the test configuration and play yourself. Okay, so try to explore more. So bye for now and see you in the next lesson.